In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. If your photos are recent, you can add them by clicking on them here. If you can't find them, select folders at the top and look for your pictures over here. To add the chosen one, click on it, and to add another one, select folders again and tap on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!